Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're climbing to new heights, exploring one of Earth's most majestic and mysterious features. Mountains. Have you ever wondered how these colossal natural wonders got there, or why they look the way they do? They're not just beautiful backdrops. Mountains literally shape our climate, influence our cultures, and dictate where rivers flow. But how do these silent giants come to be? Let's dig in. It all starts with a dramatic slow-motion dance happening right beneath our feet. Plate tectonics. Imagine Earth's surface as a giant, cracked eggshell, with massive pieces constantly shifting. One of the most spectacular ways mountains form is through something called orogeny. Essentially, when two continental plates collide. Think of it like two slow-moving cars crashing head-on. But instead of fenders bending, entire landmasses crumple and fold upwards. The Himalayas, home to Mount Everest, are a perfect example. They're still growing today, as the Indian plate continues to push into the Eurasian plate, slowly but surely scraping the sky higher and higher. It's an incredible testament to the Earth's power. But collisions aren't the only way to build a peak. Volcanism plays a huge role, too, along certain plate boundaries, where one plate slides beneath another. A process called subduction. Molten rock, or magma, rises to the surface. When this fiery material erupts and cools, it gradually builds up layer after layer, creating towering volcanic mountains. Think of the mighty peaks that form along the Pacific Ring of Fire, like Mount Fuji in Japan or the Cascade Range in North America. These mountains are literally born from fire, often featuring that classic conical shape we all recognize. Then we have another fascinating type. Fault block mountains. These form when the Earth's crust cracks and breaks into large blocks. As these blocks move relative to each other, some are pushed up while others drop down. Imagine a massive jigsaw puzzle where some pieces are lifted higher than their neighbors. The Sierra Nevada range in California is a fantastic example of this, with its steep eastern face and gentler western slopes, revealing the dramatic uplift along fault lines. Each type of mountain tells a different story about the forces at play deep within our planet. And the story doesn't end there. Mountains are not static monuments. They are constantly evolving. Even as they're uplifted by geological forces, they're simultaneously being sculpted by the elements. Wind, water, and ice are tireless artists, relentlessly eroding the rock over millions of years. Rivers carve deep valleys, glaciers grind away at peaks, and even tiny raindrops slowly wear down massive formations. This ongoing dance between uplift and erosion ensures that mountains are dynamic records of Earth's ever-changing crust. They truly are living landscapes, changing with every passing eon. So, next time you gaze upon a mountain, remember the incredible journey it has taken from deep within the Earth to touching the sky. It's a powerful reminder of our planet's dynamic beauty and geological grandeur. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this journey into mountain formation as fascinating as I did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing insights into our world. We love having you here.